Alright, so today we're going to work on the iconic solo that Mick Taylor did in Can't You Hear Me Knockin'. This is going to be in the key of D minor, alright? And he's going to be playing a 9, couple different interesting bends in this that you got to pay attention to the exact pitch and tone and technique that he's using to do this. So it starts, slides to the root. Alright, just a little move to the G string going. Okay, then you grab the 9 here. That E is the 9 of D. And then you're going to wait about 3 measures, and on the and of 1 he's going to have that little bend down. And this is a great kind of Hendrixy Hey Joe move. And then it is you hold that bend, and it's so again you're going to go on the flat 5, right, of D and bend up a half step. Hold it, grab your pinky underneath it. And you want all these modulation, you want it to ring out like, and then you're going to mute it, right? So it's, and then you're going to come down. So hold the bend, so when you come down, so it sounds like. So doing that again one more time is, because this part's kind of tricky, right? So I want to make sure that I don't go through this too quickly. And then, so you're getting all that modulation, again, hold the bends. Right? So it sounds like that. Again. Alright, and then it's, or is it, this is like 8 times, I believe, then it's, so it's like, I'm probably going a little heavy on the vibrato of that. It's more like, you know, real subtle. Anyway, and then it goes. You're going to get a half step bend. So it's like, and when he plays that, play those notes very dynamic, very light to get it real accurate. And then again, half step. It's like this time when you play it down, you're gonna be a little heavier handed. You're gonna hear those notes. So it's, and then you're gonna slide up here. So let me do that again. Real light first time, and then that time you hear it a little louder. So it's, alright, and then okay, so this is like, you're gonna go, alright, you're grabbing this. Okay, and then you're backed up. Alright, so that's just going. And then you roll the finger. Just repeating that same bend and riff. Really pay attention to your pitch, so it's really accurate. So it's like, then he does that another one of these sort of Hendrixy flat 5 bends. So that's. And that's just going up chromatically from the C note to the D. And you're going to grab these G and the B together. This is going to be the G and the B, but at the 12th fret. Alright, and then the last time you're going to go the chromatic move and then slide. And this is the ending where you just slide up with your second finger and then replace your second finger with your first finger so you can now bar for the rest of this move. So you're going to grab the G note, you're playing the D, and you're going to grab the G, and then the third finger is going to go right to the A note. So it's. And then the 7th of D is the C, so you got. And then the octave. It's a very cool little kind of 7 idea. That's it. There you have it. All right. I hope that helps. All right. Here's a little bonus for the Mick Taylor solo. This is Keith's rhythm. Just a little taste of Keith's rhythm part for "Can't You Hear Me Knockin'." And then the part right before Mick Taylor's solo. So again, open G tuning for Keith's part. Okay, hope you dig it. Have a great day.